Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Bubble wrap, and then we have this here. It's to extend the faucet out a little bit. You can angle it as you want. It is called a Coil spring faucet connector. Intended for outdoor watering use only. Do not use with water exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit or with a pressure exceeding 60 psi. Alright. So if you're interested in this item, link will be in the description below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.